विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन चॅप्टरमध्ये आत्तापर्यंत सर्व घटक बघितले. मागच्या लेक्चरला आपण ॲप्लिकेशन्स ऑफ अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन याच्यावर आधारित प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.4 सॉल्व केला. यामध्ये आपण TN SN साठीचे फॉर्म्युले यूज केले आणि वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम आपण सॉल्व केले. आता आपण प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 बघूया. प्रॉब्लेम सेट 3 मध्ये पहिला प्रश्न आहे, चूज करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव्स मीन्स MCQs, मल्टिपल चॉईस क्वेश्चन्स. फर्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज द सिक्वेन्स -10, -6, -2, 2 डॅश 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 इज, आणि आपल्याला 4 ऑप्शन दिलेले NAP आणि रिझन. याच्यामध्ये बघा, आपण जर हिचा एक विचार केला तर A इज इक्वल टू -10 और T1 इज इक्वल टू -10, T2 इज इक्वल टू -6, T3 इज इक्वल टू -2, T4 इज इक्वल टू 2. इथं जर आपण बघितलं तर डिफरन्स बिटवीन कॉन्जिक्युटिव्ह टर्म्स -6 -10, -6 + 10 इज इक्वल टू 4. थर्ड आणि सेकंड टर्ममधला पण येईल T3 - T2, -2 -6, -2 + 6 इज इक्वल टू 4. अशा पद्धतीनं कॉमन डिफरन्स जो येतो तो 4 येतो. आणि ऑप्शन बी मध्ये दिले बघा, इज ॲन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन, रिझन D इज इक्वल टू 4. देअरफॉर बी इज करेक्ट ऑप्शन. सेकंड एक्झाम्पल इज फर्स्ट 4 टर्म्स ऑफ एन AP आर डॅश डॅश whose first term is -2 and common difference is -2. First term T1 is equal to -2. Second term will be T2 is equal to A plus D, that is -2 plus -2 means -4. Then third term will be -4 -2, that is -6, and fourth term -6 -2, that is -8. Therefore C will be correct option. Now third example is, what is the sum of the first 30 natural numbers? For finding the sum of first 30 natural numbers, use formula for SN. SN is equal to n/2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where n is equal to 30. A first term will be 1. First natural number is 1. D is equal to also 1. Put these values in formula. You will get answer. Correct option will be B, 465. Then fourth example is, for given arithmetic progression T7 is equal to 4, D is equal to -4, then A is equal to question mark. Use formula for Tn. Put T7, n is equal to 7, and find the value of A. It will be 28. For fifth example is, for an given arithmetic progression A is equal to 3.5, D is equal to 0, n is equal to 101, then Tn is equal to formula A plus n minus 1 into D. n ची किंमत आपण किती टाकली तरी D इज इक्वल टू 0 असल्यामुळे ती टर्म 0 होईल, आणि फक्त प्रत्येक वेळेस A मध्ये 0 ॲड होईल. 101 वेळा जरी तो ॲड झाला तरी A इज इक्वल टू Tn इज इक्वल टू 3.5 येईल. म्हणून करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी 3.5. सिक्स्थ एक्झाम्पल इज, इन ॲन अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन फर्स्ट 2 टर्म्स आर -3, 4, then 21st term is. Here we have to find T21. A is equal to -3, D is equal to 4 -3, that is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Use these values of A and D. You will get answer T21 is equal to 137. C is correct option. Then seventh example, if for any arithmetic progression D is equal to 5, then find T18 minus T13. Here T18 minus T13, 18th term minus 13th term. 18 minus 13, 5. Means there are 5 terms in between these two terms, and therefore 5 into 5, that is 25, will be the difference between these two terms. Therefore C is correct option. Then 8th example is sum of first 5 multiples of 3 is. Here table of 3 is 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 15, 3 4 जा 12, and 3 5 जा 15, and we have to find sum. Here to find sum, use formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket T1 plus Tn. First term is 3 and last term is 15. You will get answer A 45. Then 9th example is arithmetic progression is given 15, 10, 5, dash dash dash. In this arithmetic progression, sum of first 10 terms is, you have to find S10. A is equal to 15, D is equal to minus 5, 10 minus 15, or 5 minus 10 will be minus 5. Use these values of A and D, and n is equal to 10. Therefore you will get answer A minus 75. Then 10th MCQ is, in an arithmetic progression, first term is 1 and last term is 20. The sum of all terms is 399. Then we have to find n is equal to what? Here A is equal to 1, Tn is equal to 20, and sum, that is Sn, is given, and we have to find n. The value of n will be 38. Solve all these 10 MCQs. Then we will solve some examples from practice set or problem set. We will see 4th example from problem set 3. The arithmetic progression in which 4th term is minus 15 and 9th term is minus 30. Find the sum of first 10 numbers. To find the sum of first 10 numbers, we must have A and D and n. n is equal to 10. So we have to find A and D. Here given is T4 is equal to minus 15 and T9 is equal to minus 30. It is given. We know formula for Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D. T4 is given as minus 15 is equal to A plus 3D. Therefore A plus 3D is equal to minus 15. We will give number 1 to this equation. This is equation in linear equation in two variable. Now similarly we use same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. Therefore T9 is given as minus 30. Therefore minus 30 is equal to A plus 8D, or A plus 8D is equal to minus 30. It is second equation. Now to solve equation 1 and 2, we will subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Therefore a plus 3d is equal to minus 15 minus a plus 8d is equal to minus 30. Here signs will be changed of second equation. Therefore a minus a get 0 minus 5d is equal to plus 15. Therefore d is equal to 15 upon minus 5. Therefore d is equal to minus 3. Put d is equal to minus 3 in equation 1. Therefore a plus 3d, that is 3 into minus 3, is equal to minus 15. Therefore a minus 9 is equal to minus 15. Therefore a is equal to minus 15 plus 9. Therefore a is equal to minus 6. Now we have to find sum of first 10 numbers. Therefore by using formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore S10 is equal to 10 upon 2 into bracket 2a. Value of a is here minus 6 plus 10 minus 1 into value of d is minus 3 is equal to 5 into bracket minus 12. Here 10 minus 1 9. 9 into minus 3 minus 27 is equal to 5 into minus 39 is equal to minus 195. Therefore S10 is equal to minus 195. Sum of first 10 numbers of this arithmetic progression will be minus 195. We will solve sixth example. If the sum of third and eighth term of an arithmetic progression is 7 and sum of 7th and 14th term of an AP is minus 3, then find 10th term. Here sum is given of particular terms. Sum of third and eighth term of an AP is 7. Therefore T3 plus T8 is equal to 7. Here by using formula Tn we will get formula for T3, that is a plus 3 minus 1 into d, and formula for T8 will be a plus 8 minus 1 into d is equal to 7. Therefore a plus 2d plus a plus 7d is equal to 7. Therefore a plus a 2a plus 9d is equal to 7. We will give number 1 to this equation. Again similarly here is given that sum of 7th and 14th term. Similarly sum of 7th and 14th term is -3. Therefore T7 plus T14 is equal to -3. Here also we will use formula for T7, A plus 7 minus 1 into D plus A plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to -3. Therefore A plus 6D plus A plus 13D is equal to -3. Therefore 2A plus 19D is equal to -3. Give equation number 2 to this equation. Now we will solve equation 1 and 2. Here 2A is common term. Therefore we have to subtract equation 3 from equation 2 from equation 1. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. Therefore 2A plus 9D is equal to 7 minus 2A plus 19D is equal to -3. We will change signs of second equation. Here 2A get cancelled. 9D minus 19D, that is minus 10D, is equal to 7 plus 3, that is 10. Therefore D is equal to 10 upon minus 10 is equal to -1. Therefore D is equal to -1. Now put D is equal to -1 in equation 1, that is 2A plus 9D is equal to 7. Therefore 2A plus 9 into -1 is equal to 7. Therefore 2A minus 9 is equal to 7. Therefore 2A is equal to 7 plus 9. 2A is equal to 16. Therefore A is equal to 8. Now we have to find the 10th term. To find 10th term, we will have to use formula for Tn. Using formula Tn, therefore Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is equal to 10. T10 is equal to A, value of A is 8, into 10 minus 1, and value of D is -1. Therefore T10 is equal to 8. Here 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into -1, -9, that is 8 plus -9. Therefore T10 is equal to -1. That means 10th term of this arithmetic progression, 10th term of NAP is -1. Solve all other examples. That is example number 1, that is of MCQ, to example number 8 from problem set. The examples onward to example 8, that is from 9, we will solve some typical examples in next lecture, and then you have to solve the remaining example. Today you have homework from first to 8 examples from problem set 3. Thank you.